PDF won't open? Here's the fix in 90 seconds. First, right-click your PDF. Click Open With. Choose Chrome or Adobe Reader. Check Always Use this app. Click OK, try opening it now. Still not working? Right-click the PDF again. Click Properties. Scroll to the bottom. See that unblock checkbox? Check it. Click Apply. Click OK. Try again. Still stuck? The file might be corrupted. Re-download it from the original source. If you can't, go to pdf.wontopen.repair. Upload your file. It'll diagnose and fix it in 10 seconds. Free. If you're getting unsupported format, your viewer is outdated. Open Chrome, go to adobe.com. Download the latest Adobe Reader. Install it. Try your PDF again. Last resort, download QPDF. Open Command Prompt. Type QPDF space dash decrypt space input.pdf space output.pdf. Hit enter. This strips corruption and gives you a clean file. Done. Your PDF should open now. For instant AI diagnosis, see the link in the description.